Today we're here to announce just another trim level for the Ram 1500, the new 25 model year Ram 1500 RHO. What makes the new RHO so special is the attention to detail when it comes to off-road performance, leveraging the new Hurricane engine, new fascia, and off-road suspension system. The RHO is now the fourth announcement that we've made this calendar year alone, which will be just another step in a monumental reshaping of the brand throughout the 24 calendar year.
We have a new headlamp. This is our most premium headlamp. You can see with the lit identity LED lighting around it, LED projectors, and lit LED rings inside of it as well. So we have new grille texture, a new hop up here that you'll also notice it will be on our Ram Rebel as well, and our open air RAM for increased airflow. And of course we have a new steel bumper finished with end caps on it that tie into the wheel flares to protect that 88-inch width on it, with our amber lamps hidden inside of it, and of course on the functional hood. Moving down the side of the vehicle, we have our 18-inch beadlock capable wheels, our two-tone paint, which I absolutely love the black accents as it goes, contrasts with the body color. And moving to the rear quarter panel, we have our new RHO graphic.
When you open the door of the Ram RHO, you step in, you sit into that seat, it holds you in. You got a performance steering wheel, performance shifter, a lot of technology behind you. You have a brand new 14.5-inch screen, passenger display, and rounding out some of the details, the center console badge with the VIN plate, RHO, little rhino. And I think just in general, you really see that Ram is about the details, about technology, wrapped up in an awesome looking, beautiful truck.
We've taken an extremely capable off-road chassis. We've got wheel travel 13 inches in the front, 14 in the rear. That's over 50% higher than we have on our core Ram 1500 truck. Wheel travel, fundamental to off-road performance. Take the RHO Hurricane engine, couple that with that chassis. This thing is ready to run in the sand. It's got an air intake that pulls right from the top of the hood, fresh air in, to a removable air filter that you can do a quick field cleaning on, out through equal length true dual exhaust, has an H pipe in the middle and a flow coupled exhaust in the back. So when you go wide open throttle, you get extra flow, more power at more times. That turns into 0 to 60 times of 4.6 seconds, 13.1 seconds through the trap on the quarter mile. It's an awesome truck.